What's up, everybody? Foxbody Garage. First and foremost, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Today is the weekend of Christmas. I think today is the 23rd. We're back on the 88 Mustang behind me. As you can see, the boys came up, Mac and Uncle Peter. They always come hang out when I'm doing shit. We have a good laugh, and let's get right into it. We're cutting the exhaust out, we're removing all the accessories, and we're going from there. So stay tuned. Once again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Cost you nothing. Guys, let me get some subscribers. Tecca, Gornoldo. We'll be back. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, Foxbody Garage. Christmas weekend. We're back on this 1988 Mustang. Excuse me? Sorry about that. We're back on the 1988 Mustang. We're doing heads, cam intake, exhaust, and a few extra bolt-ons as we go along. I'll let you guys see it. Just a quick overview of what I've done. I'm sorry I didn't film everything, but you know what? It's cold. It is in December, and we're trying to get it done. So hopefully everybody's having a nice Christmas weekend. Today is Saturday. I got a tripod that I don't know how to use, so let me see how this works out. So first off, we got all the accessories off. As you can see, air box, everything. We got the catalytic converters out for all those people who are going around cutting cats out and stealing them off cars. I got two in the garage. Come and try to take mine. See what happens to you. Anyway, besides all that, let me give you a quick overview of the car as it sits right now. We have no accessories. We got all the fuel lines disconnected. We laid the power steering pump on top of the battery box. We disconnected the tranny lines that go to the radiator, which is an automatic car. And all the necessary things to pull the motor out as we're going through it. You know, throttle cable, kick down cable for the transmission. You know, all the basic stuff. If you guys are watching this channel, you're probably well educated in the Foxbody department. So that's what we're up against. We got the boys up, Mac, Uncle Peter, I don't know where he went, but he's somewhere around here. So that's today's video, guys. Let me get underneath, get the exhaust out, H-pipe, it's all rotted. I'm just gonna sawzall it off. As you can see, I already started. We got the sawzall down there ready to go. So without further ado, don't forget to hit the comment, like, subscribe, share with your friends. Let me know what we should do to this car. Should we do a top end kit? Top end kit, which is heads, cam intake. Should we do a blower setup? Should we bore it? Should we leave it standard bore, just put a steel crank, or we're not even going to do a steel crank. We're going to do a cast crank, probably I-beam rods, 306, leave it stock, don't touch it. Let me know what you guys think. If this was your car, how would you build it? I know there's a lot of guys out there doing this, so there's a lot of information, but me personally, I'm a cubic inch guy. I would love to put a 347 in it, but I think the owner, what his plans with the car is he actually wants to enjoy it. He wants to drive it state to state and turn on the AC with the rag top down and all that stuff. You know, vanilla ice, ice baby. You know, that kind of deal. He's not into the drag racing, road racing. He's an older fella. He's probably about 60, 58, 65. So we're going to try to make it a mild cruiser, tire fryer with AC, and he could drive it anywhere. So let's see how it goes. Stick around if you like the build, hit the comment, like, subscribe. Doesn't cost you nothing. Makes me feel a little better about doing the videos. And hopefully everybody's enjoying the Christmas weekend. Today, once again, is Saturday, and it's pretty cold up here in New York. It's probably about 30 degrees. It's not that bad in here. I got my little salamander heater. Here's Uncle Peter. Say hi.
Hello.
I got my salamander heater going, and we got this little heater that Grandpa donated to us. Actually works pretty good. I mean, you know, I used to have a temperature gauge in here. I don't know what happened to it. Last year there was one in here. I don't know what happened. No, this is not freezing. It's free. Oh, there it goes. Check it out. It is, what do we got there? It looks like it's about 50 degrees, 48. So it's 50 degrees in here. It's not the worst. I mean, I've done this for many, many years outside in the winter time. I remember one time, quick little story, my buddy John, he bought a white Mustang actually, and we did a 347. I rebuilt the whole motor. We did the whole car, motor. It was a 4-cylinder, or it came out of a convertible, something like that. I don't remember exactly. We did it in the snow, outside. That's how crazy and ambitious we were back in the 80s for these Foxbodies. It just never died. So you guys can relate, I'm pretty sure. If you love it, you love it. If you hate it, you hate it. That's how it goes. Or you build a love-hate relationship. One of the two. Anyway, enough rambling. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Guys, until the next clip, peace. Alright guys, what's up? We're back. We're getting ready to pull it out. We're going to let you run for as long as the battery lasts, and if it cuts off, it cuts off. I got bad equipment. Bad equipment. So I don't know if you could see, but this is where we're at.
Oh my God.
And Uncle Peter's oh my God in us. Can you see?
Oh.
There you go. How about that? There it goes. You can watch it. Oh, let me shut the music before they monetize us.
It's super great. We're taking this off now?
Here we go. Let's see.
What hole?
This is live action, alright?
What hole you putting it on?
First, the last one. We gotta put on the last one. First, we gotta take it off. Let's see. Get ready for the comedy show. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll never give you live action again.
You need this nut?
Wing nut, we need.
Remember, rice on it, that's going to slide.
Come on. No, we're going to go from here to here. We're going to put it on both and throw it. Chain to chain. That's it. Actually, I have the thing that you put on. I wonder if we could have used it instead of the chain. Let me see. It's just more of a pain in the ass to set up than anything. That's the problem.
Just put the hook on, let's do it, come on. Before we die here.
Hey, look. We can put this on.
Forget that.
That's what I said. That's why I didn't pull it out. And the other problem is, hopefully, we can go underneath far enough. There you go. You gotta hook it up. You gotta pay light strips so it don't slide. Hook it up.
I'm not getting it.
never had no start, you know. Once that shit is on, that shit is on. But we'll give it the old college try. Let's see if we got everything off. Mac, you might have to work the jack underneath.
No problem. Jack out of the box. Right, that's one forward. Wow.
We gotta get it out of here.
Jack. This boy sucks.
Come out?
I can't pull it, can't pull it.
No, I don't want to. Is your motor mount out, Pete? Yeah, so you gotta go this way. You gotta tell me the motor mount is out, otherwise how am I gonna know?
No objection, I said yeah.
Okay, just one whole sphere full of crap and that's what we get with the thing. So,
Is the long thing about?
yeah.
Or just cut that one.
I don't want to
cut
cut
on
the
the top.
I know. Yeah, but you see, the factory plant one. That's why. This one has the thing on it. So you can't, you don't get it all.
It's like it.
No, we just cut the hole. That's no problem. What do we got? Anything else connected? That.
Yeah, that's it. Just jack it
Come
up.
in.
When the train line's out of the way, you go home. We're coming.
Forward a little bit. There we go.
Keep going.
We're good, right?
We're good.
Come forward a little bit. Okay? That's fine. It's all connected. That's the whole.
Yeah, I know that, but I'm just trying to get it over quick.
Yeah, they come all bended up like that. That's why when we put long tube headers and shit on this thing, it's a fucking nightmare. That's why automatic cars don't get long tube headers. Whoa. Coming forward.
I don't know how much you've seen, but we got it out, and
I turned around and the camera was off. I don't know why it turned off. It's plugged in. I'm having problems with the camera, guys. I don't know, battery says it's full. I don't know, it just turned off through the whole process, I guess. When I look at it, I'll see how much is there. Unbelievable. But she's out on the ground. I guess we'll do more in depth putting it back together, which is probably what everybody wants to see anyway. So that'll do it for today. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Holidays. Until the next time, Foxbody Garage, 88 build.
Mr. Grinch.
Say it again, sir.
You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch.
As Uncle Peter says, he's a mean one, Mr. Grinch. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Leave a comment. I don't know what the video's going to look like. The camera's been acting up, and we're the best in the business on top of the camera problem. So until the next time, peace. Holy shit, guys, we're back. We're making progress. It's getting late, we're getting tired, we're getting hungry. Got the motor out, it's on the stand. Leave it before you tip it over.
Yeah, trying to clean the puddle up.
Yeah, I know. We're gonna do it, we gotta move it together. It's a pretty decent big stand, but it works. It's built about 10, 12 motors, so I know it's gonna hold. And we're plucking along. Uncle Peter's by the heater. He got tired and cranky. And me and Mac are still plugging away. We'll be back until the next time, or the next clip, or the next anything. Foxbody Garage. Like, comment, subscribe.